So here is a Shopify dropshipping tutorial for beginners. Shopify helps you build and run a dropshipping store and is great for beginners who want to start selling products online without holding inventory. If you want to follow along with this tutorial step by step, click on the link below to get 3 days free trial plus 3 months on Shopify for only $1 per month. So you can build your dropshipping store as we go. So as you can see, we're now in the Shopify website. From this page, on the top here, you can see all of these sections. Let's first go over to the pricing page and check out the plans that they offer, starting with Basic, Grow, Advanced, and Plus. You can also check them by yearly or monthly according to your preference. So check through them and you can choose whichever one that you want. But for now, I will just go with the free trial. On this page, you can enter your email address and click on Start for Free or click on Start for Free on the top right corner. But the easiest way is to click on the link in the description and you'll be taken straight to this page. So over here, you can put in your email address or use any of these options to sign up. I will go with Google. So once you're signed in, you'll be prompted to provide your card details or your PayPal information. That is if you want to start the $1 trial right away. If not, you can just click on Skip on the bottom right. So let's go ahead and click on Skip for now. So as you can see, we're now in the dashboard. On the left side panel, you will get to see all of these sections. For now, let's click on the I button on the online store. And as you can see, we currently have a store set up. This is an e-commerce store that we've created earlier. If you don't already have a store, you can check out my other video and set up your own store. So now let's open up a new tab and go over to this website, which is deassers.com. Using Deassers, you can find and sell winning products. You can manage your dropshipping suppliers easily, place hundreds of orders in seconds, satisfy your customers with order tracking, optimize shipping costs and delivery times, and more. So let's head back to Shopify and search for App and Sales Channel on the search bar on the top. Over here, let's click on Sales Channels from the options. After that, click on Shopify App Store on the top right. You will then be taken to this page right here. You need to click on the search bar and search for Deassers. After that, choose it from the options. So as you can see, we now have the Deassers app right here on Shopify. Just click on Install. And after that, you'll be redirected to this page. From here, you need to click on Install. You can view all the information this app needs to access. You can check it out or just click on Install on the bottom right. After that, this app will be installed and added to your Shopify store. So on this page, you need to log in and authorize Deassers to connect with Shopify. So let's do that and sign in to Deassers. So wait for it to get connected. Here, select what platform do you want to access. Since we're using Shopify, we will be selecting Shopify from the options. But as you can see, there are a lot more options to choose from. So then, click on Install, and Deassers will now be added to Shopify. Just click on Open, and then click on Confirm on this page. Once done, the next step is to link to suppliers. And as you can see, we have AliExpress as the option. Here, click on Link and Authorize to AliExpress. Over here, you need to sign in or sign up for your AliExpress account, and then click on Authorize to connect. So as you can see, we're now redirected to the Deassers website and dashboard. Over here, on the left panel, you will get to see all of these options to navigate through the website. We have tools like product research, find products, and more to help us with the products. Let's click on Find Products. So as you can see, it is now showing AliExpress from where we can search for and find products and also connect with the suppliers. We also have a section for Supplier Optimizer. Then there's Import List, My Products, and more. On My Products, you will get to see all the products that you're working with. Next up, we have the Open Orders section, from where you'll be able to see the number of orders open from different platforms. This makes it easier to keep track of the orders. After that, we have the Tracking option. Here, you have Tracking Status and Tracking Page, but for using these, we will need to upgrade our Deassers plan. So for now, let's head over to Find Products. From this page, you can select which country the product is being shipped from. Then go over to the search bar on the top and search for the product you want. For example, dress. You can also change the platform or add platform on the top right. So over here from the results, if you scroll through, you will get to see all the available products that you can choose from. So just browse through the products and see what you like. And as an example, I will go with this product right here. I'll click on it to open it. Here, you can view the images of the product and also the available sizes, pricing, and all the available details for this product. Further down, we have related items. You can check through them as well. On the right side, you will get to see the shipping details and other policy informations. You also have the option to find supplier from here. So as you can see, these are all the same items but from different suppliers. They all have varying prices. So let's go through them and choose an item with a reasonable price. So this right here is the same product but with a lower price. Now, let's go over to the right side and click on Add to DSers right here, which is the yellow button. And from this pop-up, you can select any of these languages. Then click on Confirm. Note that English is selected as default. And as you can see on the right side, you will get this pop-up message showing that the item has been successfully imported onto DSers. So if you head over to DSers, you will get to see the item right here. And if you click on Push to Store, you can see this pop-up. On the top, you will see your store selection, which is our Shopify store. And make sure to go through all the preferences and select or unselect whichever one that you want. And once you've checked through the details and are satisfied, you can just go ahead and click on Push to Stores on the bottom right corner. After that, this very product will be added onto your Shopify store. Just give it some time to load up. And now that is complete, let's go over to the Shopify page. Here, let's go ahead and refresh it. After that, if you go over to products from the left panel, you will notice that the new item has been added straight from DSers. So let's click on it to check it out. And as you can see, all the details here are already added. You can make changes by putting in your own details or editing the one that's already provided. And as you can see, the description has been added as well. You can make your desired changes to this if you want. So go through it and make your desired customizations. And like before, you can even use the AI option as well. Just give it the features and keywords, then click on Generate. Then, once it's generated, if you like the output, just click on Keep. And on the media section, you can see all the images from AliExpress is added here. You can even add more images if you want. Then, select a product category from the options available here. For this one, I will go with dresses and clothing. Then, we have the variant section. Here, you can customize and change it according to the availability of the variants. And once finished, just click on Done. This way, go through all of the sections and make your desired changes and add in the required information. And once you're done making all of the changes, just click on Save on the bottom right and then click on Save Product. This way, the product will be added right onto your online store. And if you want to check out how it looks, you can scroll up to the top and click on this preview option right here. You will then be taken to the store and exactly how the product looks on your website. And that's it. That is the Shopify dropshipping tutorial for beginners.